Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with another 3 looks, 1 palette video. Today features this kind of fall inspired palette. This is the Malibu Glitz Luxurious Touch. It is a 16, oops, stuck my finger in one of the shimmer shades. This is a 16 color palette. Kind of excited. Kind of hope I don't get too confused because I really want to try and get 3, very different looks with this. So basically, just as a reminder, what the rules are is these are the only shades that I am allowed to use on the eyes. I am not allowed to use any other products for reinforcement. Obviously I will start off with primer, but as far as using like a highlighter, dipping into another palette, not allowed. If this is something that you are interested in, then keep on watching. That is patchy as fuck.
My ultimate concentration. So remember that.
Alright y'all, I know I am breaking formula by talking at the end of the first look, but I absolutely had to. See, from far away, it looks like I saved it, right? But as you can see, and even from the footage before, I'm already cracking. This is pretty much a brand new palette, and I mean, I probably didn't need to go as hard with that, but I did. I was trying to pack it on the brush, and it just loosened right up. That is a shit formula. The first time I used this palette, it was totally fine. So that it might just be like that shade. I did not do anything majorly different in the priming or anything, so I'm just like, I'm shook and kind of pissed. But, it's not like I have anywhere to go. So I'm going to continue with this palette for this challenge. Alright, so look 1 is kind of a fail, but here we are. So I'm gonna go wash my face now. Happy Memorial Day. Also, this is the third and final look. I'm so excited that 2 out of these were a success. This one is a similar formula, but I did not struggle to get that on with a wet brush. Definitely a nice palette though overall, even though I did fight with that one, but you know, it's whatever. It's not really a shade I'm gonna miss if I never use it again anyway. Definitely pretty versatile. Not the best formula shadows that I've ever used, but you know, it is what it is. We got through it, so huzzah bitches. Spoiler alert for the next one, my e.l.f. Opposites Attract. So this one's going to be fun, an array of like warm to cool, but yeah, that is what's next. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.